Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend. Friday, January the 27th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. But you are not interested in that puzzle. You are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary puzzle number, I believe, number 5864. 5864. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Double O, here one, there one. And now, yeah, now. And now, yeah. Comparing. Well, we have only 1 row and 2 columns. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this second column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Well. And now I'm stuck. And now you need to think. Yeah. Here cannot comparing. How about here? This one I cannot compare. How about this row? Yeah. This row and that row to compare. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0, 1, 1. Need to switch those digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Yeah. And now, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay. 3 ones. 3 ones. 3 ones. Here we have also 3 ones. So need to compare these columns. Well, compare again this one and the last column. Right. Oh, 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 one, oh, oh, empty box, one. Need to switch those two digits. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 and this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Well, and now. And now. Here we have 2. Yeah. This one I cannot compare. So I need to compare this row. Will be difficult. This is almost the same. This, the ones are the same. Yeah, okay, need to wait. How about these 3 O's? Yeah, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So with the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Yeah, the same. Yeah. 3 O's. 3 ones. No. Yeah. 3 O's. No, it's not the same here. Not the same. How about the ones here? No. Cannot compare. Oh, overlooked here. Overlooked. Double 1. Here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Overlooked. 3 O's we have here. 3 ones. Yeah. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now, I can compare this one and that one. We have here 3. Look to the ones. Here 1, there 1, and the last we have a 1. The fourth one in this row should be here. I cannot place the 1 there. Otherwise we will have identical rows. So this box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And now. 1, 2, 3. Come on, 101. Do we have a 101 here? Here we have a 101, but it's not the same. This one, 0101. Do we have a 0101? No, 0101. Here, no, not the same. 0101, not the same. How about this column? I cannot compare. How about this column? Double O here. Well, same problem. This row. Overlooked something. With double O here. No. Cannot compare this one. How about this double 1? Cannot compare this one. So it must be the rows. 010. 101. 101 here. Yeah, not the same. 101. Ah, ah, this row and in the second row. Overlooked. 11001100. Empty box 11. Empty box 00. So we need to switch these two digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, O. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, completed in 10 minutes. Overlooked. Need to compare 3 times. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Tough one, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. If you like binaries, try also the tectonics, because if you start with the tectonic, you will love it and you will like it. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.